What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I recently did a tonneau cover review on my Ford F150 of Oedro's tonneau cover. Anyway, I want to check out a new set of floor mats. Oedro Off-Road 4x4. These are the new floor mats I'm going to put on the truck. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box, install them, show you how well they fit in the truck, how easy they are to install, and go through all that stuff there at the end. And let's take a good look at them. All right, y'all, so I got the old floor mats out. Let me get these installed, got it cleaned up. Let me get this thing opened up, and we'll get them slid in there and see how well they fit. Open up the first one. One really cool thing is I like the logo they put on them. Has the little brackets here, if you will, to help secure it in your truck. I'll slide this one in here. Contours very, very well. That's a really neat logo. Let's get the back one put on. But they turned out pretty darn good. So if you look at the edges here, to clean there, comes in here, and honestly guys, once you throw this passenger side in, it just kind of goes in place perfectly. So all right, so that concludes my install of the Oedro floor liners. So first off, I think they're a nice liner. They look like they're easy to clean, so you get down through here and it just be a matter of wiping down. Would keep water out pretty well. I like the logo bunch. You know, some of the edges can, could be a little bit tighter, but I think that will probably lay down with a little bit of the heat. You know, it's a cool day here in Indiana. But I think it's a great option if you're looking for a set of floor liners. I will drop a link down below and everything you need to know about the product and how to get it and all those things. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If it's helpful, let me know. Hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach down below or hit me up on social media at F150_boss. Thanks again and have a great day.